are my $500 winning boots.
I hit the jackpot.
Who goes to Vegas 30 weeks pregnant? Me.
Subway haul. I just get a bit.
What? How did you give it to me? Email or? Yeah.
This is giving me deja vu. Austin, remember when we got spankings over boogers in the car?
Don't even look at the prices.
Viva Las Vegas!
This is what pregnant in Vegas looks like. You lay in the bed as soon as you get here and you chug some applesauce.
My legs, I need to keep them raised.
Here, guys. Come on, Skipper Dip. Right there, look.
I have to get ready still, but I want to show you guys the room. So we walk in, big mirror. We're staying at Mandalay Bay. Desk, TV, food situation, and we got a stocked fridge where if you eat anything, your bill's gonna be $400. Is that TV loud? Probably. Sitting area, the view of the airport. I think we're supposed to get the pool view, but I love the gold building. Bed, closet, bathtub, shower, potty, little separate potty, and the getting ready mirror. I'm gonna be getting ready in this sink. Who else gets ready in a sink? 30 minutes to beat this face. So let's do it. Today's question of the day is, what kind of person are you? Are you a J. Clay, where your makeup bag is literally a recycled Ipsy bag, this big? Or are you a Karissa Nichole, and you got all the goods? This is where we're going to dinner, and look what's right next to it for breakfast. Plans for the night is eating at a fancy steakhouse when I literally don't even eat meat. So we're gonna get some salmon. I like
The good, the bad, the horrible thing.
Cheers.
I don't think we've ever had
27 years.
Ever.
27 married, 30 together.
30 and a half.
30 and a half.
Guys, any advice, man?
What about you guys? Almost 4 together, boyfriend and girlfriend.
27 years dating.
Wish I could get this, but being pregnant, I can't get that.
Wait,
So I'm
what
gonna
did
get
they
the
say?
salmon.
This size of one beer?
Potato.
Like to give. It's like I haven't had one date.
Tomahawk. 40 ouncer.
I thank you for all these amazing people at this table and amen.
Amen. Wow. Maybe I can share.
That baked potato is
Look at the size of that thing. Chilean sea bass.
I was waiting to be blown away. Give me content. Get a picture. The lighting is so bad in here. So we just got back up to the room and I have to clean up a turd. Like, really, Pickle? I know, this is the quality content you guys are like begging for. You want to see my dog's turds. That was not a naughty, or that was a naughty boy. That was not a naughty boy. That was not a good boy.
I
hit the jackpot. I hit the jackpot. Just kidding. I won like $500 though. Very happy. So I turned 25. 500. I bet double on 26 and I got the corners on it and I halved it. No, I did twice. That was my second time doing it. And I did something phenomenal. I came straight back upstairs to the room and I said, I'm done, I'm cashing out. Tipped him 25 and I was out. It is 8:25 and I'm back in the room. Oh, you go outside? Okay. Who brings their dogs to Vegas? Us.
You mean? Be sick.
Mommy forgot to take my jammies off.
Come on. You guys, I was emptying out my old purse and I found these nausea bands and it brought back so much trauma from the first trimester. But this was my outfit tonight. So I had on this two-piece set. My belly is just like, whew, she's big. But it's pretty chocolate brown color and it's so comfy. I wore my boots. Actually, these are my winning boots. These are my $500 winning boots. These boots were made for women. And that's just what they'll do. I am so pregnant. And that's all I have for you. Wore my blazer. Like, what pregnant girl did you know to do this? Look. Oh, hamstring. All right, I need to take it easy. But yeah, I gambled for like maybe 20 minutes. Came back up to the room, got my video edited for KARISSMAS for tomorrow. The Grinch is on right now. Life is good. Definitely pulled my hamstring, it hurts. Oh, hi belly. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this child inside of me? But anyways, I'm about to actually get undressed and get unready and go to bed. Get up and shower. I want to wash my hair and I think like throw it in braids or something so there's just like easy beach waves in the morning and I don't have to put too much time or effort into getting ready tomorrow. I also think I'm gonna self tan. It's doing the most. It's a lot of effort, but it'll be worth it.
Is this your easy one or your hard one?
Ow!
Oh, you gotta pull.
Ow!
You gotta pull. Oh my lord. I felt the tension in that sucker. Where'd you get those boots from?
She is.
I knew you were gonna do that.
Look at this disaster. Who is this disastrous? You gotta be smarter than the shower, Karissa. Guys, I feel so stupid. I ordered this off Amazon. It's like a purple conditioning shampoo and it had really good reviews, so I ordered it. It's called the Shiny Silver Ultra. I don't even know why the title says silver in it and it did not click. But this is for eliminating yellow and brassiness in white and gray hair. So I bought some grandma shampoo. So I'll let you know how it works. Hello? Do I want to commit to doing a self-tan right now? No. Am I? Yes. So for my face, I use the Isle of Paradise tanning drops, and then for my body, I use Saint Tropez. Let's take. Did I just snap? Guys, I normally cannot snap. Yeah. Okay, we tanned, but it takes an hour to develop, so we'll see better in the morning. The point of that? None. This is the best toothpaste. No one can fight me on that. It just has this like thing about it.
I didn't care. I was just.
Alright guys, we're going to end KARISSMAS Day 10 with the Advent calendar. This was another one that got ruined at the airport. And I already know what I got. Let's see what else is in here. We got applesauce, which I'm gonna put in my coffee and take. Because at this point, we haven't even left for Vegas yet.
This is Don.
And now Dad's on a phone call.
Yeah, I'm the center. This is Don.
We got some bath gel,
Say it again.
cranberry and orange flower. That sounds like a delicious
Well, he's
combination.
sick with
Oh, stepping it up. We went from the $10 Starbucks gift cards to a $15 Starbucks gift card. And then we got the candy canes, obvi. Those will go in the pocket. And chocolate. Got two chocolates. I ain't sharing.
No.
You are the star of my channel. No. Have you seen my comments recently? If you ever feel down, no. If you ever feel down about yourself, just go read my YouTube comments.
All right, guys, we are showered and ready for bed, and we gotta get rejuvenated for Vegas Day 2 tomorrow. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you guys. Times of Millie, Billy, Trilly. Wish me luck so I can win jackpot again tomorrow. And by jackpot, I meant $500 because that's a jackpot to me. See you guys tomorrow for Christmas Day 11.